What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage man back on a video. Like I promised yesterday's video, I will be bringing a review and on feed over the Air Jordan 4 FIBA. I recently dropped a review over the FIBA 12s. People really liked that video. So I was like, man, why not go ahead and show my subscribers these Air Jordan 4 FIBAs, man. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Ring notification bell for your boy, and also follow me over on IG. And right now, make sure you hit that like button, man, and go for every video to pass 200 likes, man. So let's get right to this Air Jordan 4 FIBA review, man. Let's get it. All right, so you already know this bag right here. If you see this big X on it, your boy got it for under retail, man. So shouts out to the PX Exchange. They always showing love to the vets, you feel me? Getting it for under retail. I got these for $162. That was a major steal, man. If you don't want to spend retail for most of these sneakers that's really sitting, and if the PX are getting them, man, you can go ahead and go straight to the PX and get them for that under retail price. So I got these for 162 bucks. Like I said, the retail price is $200. So I was wrong yesterday. I told people the retail price was 190 bucks, but actually the retail price is $200. That's what I was saying, like with the FIBA themes and all the different themes Jordan may be throwing on shoes, they always hike the retail price up. And as you can see, these things retail for $200, man. I'm gonna show you the B-roll so you can see that price over there on the size label right here, but you can see size 9. As always, your boy don't ever shy away in the 4s. I chase through the styles on my Air Jordan 4s. And the official colorway is gem red, obsidian, and white. So yeah, let's jump right to these sneakers. Before I open it up, man, just to show you the same box as Air Jordan 12s. You got all these different flags and stuff on the box. You got the gold Jumpman on top right there, as you can see. So the whole little theme is going across the box, which is dope. So that's probably why they charge the extra $10. Open it up real quick. Nothing right here on the top of the box. You got white tissue paper. Peel it open, and here we have it. Air Jordan 4 FIBAs, man. Check them out. Boom, boom. These things look a little wonky. Look how the tongue look. I don't know what's going on with that. These are real. I don't know what's going on with the tongue, though. But here you have it. Air Jordan 4 FIBA things. Let me turn this brightness down for y'all so I can get a good little look at the shoe. I ain't trying to blast your eyes with the color, but here you have it. That's a good little look from the camera. Check it out. So yeah, let's jump right into the details and the review over this sneaker. Put the box down real quick. As you can see, man, all over, it's like a brick or charcoal red. It's not like a vibrant red, not like a red you will see on the Air Jordan 11 gym reds, of course. This is a different type of red, as you can see right here in the video. Kind of like a brick red. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's super nice leather, as you can see right here. Super tumbled leather all the way across. Let me pull this shoe tree out. You didn't get any extra laces. You got red laces. You got a gold Jumpman on the back. Check it out right there. Very dope. I like how they did that right there. I did not know that it had a gold Jumpman on the back. Very nice little touch to the shoe. It's maybe like a little rubber piece of Jordan, but that gold hit looks spectacular on this Jordan, man. On the tongue right here, as you can see, we got the Jumpman and the flight under it right here, as you can see. Check it out. And this Jumpman is like a navy blue. Y'all will see all the up close details when we get into the B-roll. Whenever I talk about, always throw B-roll on top of it so you can see a little closer, a little more crisp look of that part of the shoe that we're talking about. And on the inner of this shoe right here, as you can see, we have a red insole with that navy blue Jumpman right there with the size label, of course, size 9. And with the shoe, that's kind of different from the 12s, the 12 FIBAs. The stars and all the little symbols and stuff actually pop out of the shoe. It's not engraved into the shoe. It actually pops out like right here on the upper of the shoe. You can see like the star, you can see the triangles, whatever symbols, whatever they represent, you kind of see them and they pop out. They're not engraved into the shoe. On the back of the tongue, you have "For the Love of the Game." Check it out right there. Very dope touch from Jordan Bear right there. All those different little sayings, I guess Jordan was saying growing up, whatever he lived by. It's always something tied around the shoe on what he's done in his career. And back here you can see it says "For the Love of the Game," which I feel like Jordan is really pushing his sneakers just because he loved the game. He probably missed playing it, so he's dropping a whole bunch of dope colorways for the sneakerheads out there, all the hoopers out there in today's world. On the midsole right here, as you can see, all white wrapping around. You can see the navy blue hits on top of the lower midsole, man. And in the air unit right here, as you can see, it's all clear. It's no different color. Translucent right there, as you can see. And it's kind of like an off-white, like the little springs in there. On the toe box, like I said, you can see the symbols popping out right here. And also you have that nice tumbled nice leather, man. It's very soft. It's not like no cheap leather that we've been seeing on most of these releases lately, but this one right here is actually pretty soft, actually pretty good, and I'm really digging it from Jordan Brand. Right here on the side of the shoelaces, man, as you can see, you have a navy blue shoelace holder right here. right here, and of course on the other side right here, as you can see, very nice touches. I think that this shoe would look way better if they would have just did like a red, black, and white. I think that would have been spectacular with this shoe, and maybe a more of a vibrant red, man, not like this charcoal red. Right here, as you can see with the shoelaces, we kind of got the same color as you can see with the whole shoe. The shoe, of course, is a little more dull, but pretty much identical. You probably can't even tell if you're not staring at the laces and the shoe together. And also, I would say maybe the shoe could have did a little better if they threw extra pair of laces, maybe some navy blue laces or even some white laces. You never know what people are really feeling out there. As you can see right here on the pull tab right here, you got your little things back here as you get on most of your Air Jordan 4s. Check it out. And let's check out the outsole real quick. As you can see, mostly white on the bottom, man. You got a navy blue Jumpman again. You got a navy blue pod. You got some stars right here on the top of your Air Jordan 4. Check it out. And then you have red on the back of the heel, man. So the points that you really hitting on the shoe is like the heel, the toe, those have color. So you don't have to worry about the whole outsole being white. And you already know if you got an all white shoe, that outsole is going to be stupid dirty. But of course, hit some Crep Protect on there, hit some Rejuvenate or whatever you do use. Go out there, spray it up, and when you get back home, just wipe it down real quick so it can fall right off. Pulling the other shoe out real quick, man, so I can show you to see. Oh, hold on. I take everything I said back. So you remember when I said that I wish I would have threw some navy blue laces and some white laces? You have 2 pair of laces right here, man. Check them out, man. So that kind of goes to think like Jordan Brand's really thinking about the buyer, man. So I was saying like they should throw some white laces, they should throw some navy blue laces, and they actually gave us both. That's pretty dope, man. They gave us some ugly, wonky bags, hey, but it is what it is. I think that's very dope for Jordan Brand to throw some extra laces. So that extra 10 bucks, we got some extra laces, we got a dope box, and we got a nice sneaker. So let's see if the back of this tongue says anything different. No, it doesn't. It still says for the love of the game on the other sneaker. You know, usually with some of our Jordans, we got saying on one shoe, and you check out the other shoe, it says something totally different. But on this, in this case, they both say for the love of the game, man. All right, guys, so that is it for this review over the Air Jordan 4 FIBA. We're gonna get right into the on FIBA. Before I let you guys go, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you ring notification bell for your boy. We're trying to hit that 20K before the end of the year. It's gonna be very, very epic for me. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World and like this video to go for every video to surpass 200 likes, man. I appreciate all the love and support, and I hope you guys are about to enjoy this on feet over the Air Jordan 4 FIBAs, man. Let's get it.